Welcome to eiqcentral.com video presentation for writers. Whether you're a student writer or a professional freelance writer, we will show you on this page at eiqcentral.com a step-by-step process of where you would be able to submit your articles and manuscripts or whatever article you may wish to write on in any of our categories that you would have selected on this page. You would have to first be approved as a writer with eiqcentral.com, and you would be able to log in using your username on this window as well as your password, and then you can log in. Upon logging in, you'd be prompted to this window where it will show you exactly where your user menu would be at. When you click on your Submit an Article, you'd be able to be prompted to another window where it would show you that we have a new editor. If you read more, and image buttons have been moved to the toolbox area. This area is the toolbox area where you would be able to use these buttons for your articles. If you would like to have a full screen mode of this screen, and then you would be able to write on your articles. If we simply press it again, it goes back. You can place your title here and your article, which you could also support your article by inserting an image or a picture, and when you click on it, it would prompt you to a window where it shows the image manager 1.5.3, and you can upload your particular picture. When you press upload and add, it would prompt you to where you're going to get your pictures from, and it will take you and click on it and simply be able to upload it here, and then you can simply place it and paste it on your article. Now, if you scroll down, you would be able to select which particular category and section that your article would be placed at. If you're writing on business, writing on education or finance, or even food and drinks, it all depends on the section and depending on the category where you would be placing it on. Let's just say for education, you press education and a draw-down menu would show up once you click it and gives you what particular category you're going to write on. As you can see, you have a lot to choose from, and depending on the criteria that you are planning to write on and the category, as we made mention, then that's the time wherein you'd be able to publish. Click yes, click no, not to show on the front page, and you can place your author's name or your alias as a writer, not using your real name, depending on what you choose to do so. It is at public, not registered, not special, because you're basically writing on an article which you would like to have viewers for public to read on. By placing your metadata description of your articles and keywords and simply click on your save, then that would make sure that your article is saved. If you click on the article dashboard here, you'd be prompted to another window where it will show all the written titles that are published, not in the front page, in the order that it is made accessible to the public, section, category, and the name of the author. The same thing here, a drawdown menu would be showed where all the other sections are chosen. Select a category where you would like to place your article on, and the author would automatically be you when you write your articles here. More importantly, when you press on your profile here, you have to go to edit and update, where it would show you if you want to show a picture of yourself or an image that you would like to be known for, then you could do the same. Your contact, where your first name, last name, email, and other additional informations could be placed. And again, more importantly, you being the writer, having your own publisher's ID from Google. Once you have acquired it, you can personally place it yourself, plus your channel ID, and have it updated. Once you're done, you could simply go back to portraits, and you can either go back to your article in the dashboard, or you want to submit another article. Once you're done, then you can simply log out. However, if you get stuck with a problem, you can click on the help desk and you can submit what problem you have occurred while writing or submitting your articles online. And one of our editors would be able to get back to you and try to help solve the problem that you have encountered. After which, you can simply either go back to your article in a dashboard or submit another article. However, when everything is done, you can simply log out from your page and log out again. So you'd be able to go back from the home page, and if you're a writer for education, you could go and see your article on the education section. And if you're a writer, student writer from ICC or Immaculada, then you could have your articles be published with a link to your website at immaculada.ning.com. And once you click on this, it would prompt you to your page or network at ICC as an example, and simply go back to where you came from. And this basically shows you exactly how you would be able to submit your articles. And you have a lot of sections and categories, as you could see here, that you could practically write on. It depends on what your interest and passion is, but as far as if you're writing for school and school programs, then you would be able to be prompted to education, school programs, which is showing you here, welcoming you to ICC, which is part of the article that you have in your site. So if there is any problem and whatsoever, feel free to submit to us your ticket if you get stuck on a problem when you submit your articles online. We do hope that this would be helpful for you and encourage you to do more writing as a writer, and mentors would be available for any help that you would need as far as writing is concerned. Thank you very much and have a pleasant